Chicken nuggets optimized and all combinations. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So we're going to wrap up our chicken nugget series here, and we're going to talk about what we're actually doing. So the last one we left off on is we found the first variation of our chicken nugget combinations, and we were taking a variable and we were incrementing it by one every time through our while loop, which then had 3 for loops. So it became very layered and very complex and extremely inefficient. So this is what it looked like last time. So now let's look at what an extremely efficient, a optimized function, even though we have 3 for loops, there is a way to optimize this. So let me show you first what we did. So our S is our 6, our N is for our 9, and our T is for our 20. So what I'm doing here is, if we look back, we have one variable for our C variable. So every time we increment up, well, let's just say it was going to be a weird combination, and we were going to end up at 9. There is no flexibility here, so it'd be 9 cubed, 729. Well, I started to think about this. How can we optimize this? Well, for each variance, if there is a scenario where you can only have, let's say we use 990 or 99. Well, for our 9 units, it could be 11. For our 6, that does not divide evenly, but it could be no more than 17. And by chance, if 20 went in evenly, like if we checked 100, it would go in 5 times. So we actually are creating our limits. And this is what you want to start to think about. What would be the limit of something to check? So each time through, we're optimizing our choices here and our lengths of for loops. So all right, so we do that. So then I change the structure a little bit, where because before it was a key and value pair with the number of chicken nuggets. Oh, and also, please excuse my voice. I'm getting over a cold right now, so hopefully you guys can understand me pretty clearly. So okay, where did we leave off? Oh, so I need to create a key and then a value pair, a value of a list, so then we can drop in a list. So all right, and then so if you wanted to look at this and see, I'd tweak this a little bit. So here are our 20 piece, here are our 9 piece, and here are our 6 piece. Then I even sorted this by the list, and so here's our lowest, so you can actually get both. Our lowest count, it will be sorted. So then I take our sorted list, then I sort that list, and then I iterate through it, and then I print out the list itself, and I'm summing how many containers of chicken nuggets you would have. But this is every single combination of chicken nuggets that would total 99. And this hasn't changed, where I'm taking, each time I'm iterating through, and really, if you were thinking, well, would it matter which variation it is? It does not, because it would be the same math combination. So 99 divided by 6. Oh, and I'm also doing floor division. You might be saying, why are you doing this function right here? Because this needs to be an integer. So then I'm adding 1, because if you remember our rules about a range function, it's exclusive on the final number. So if I were to do, I need 0 through 17 to have 16 included. And I decided to add this here. We could have added it here and left this floor division, but I decided to not to. And so here we go. So we're actually unpacking quite a bit of things here. And I really just wanted to stretch and challenge you of how to solve a problem and how to use the tools we have on hand in Python to solve these problems. Because I'm actually kicking around an interesting idea that happens in video games. And I have no idea how they do it in video games, but I know how I would do it. So we have next week's video of the opposite of is-in for pandas, and then possibly a real-life game functionality of a video clip of which to pick for replays. So on the fence about that one, but I know we're going to do the reverse of is-in for pandas. So please drop any comments, questions, video requests. If you've not joined the Discord server down below, go ahead and do that. We have a very large, supportive, growing community. A lot of great questions going on over there. So please join us there for all the support you need. And if you have any video requests you just want to drop down in the comments, please drop them there. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.